Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana sees a little bit of upside today, so it's waking up, but it's not enough to really talk about a sustained break because I don't like the structure that's happening here. Could be a diagonal, yes, it could be a diagonal, but problem I have is that this move up here is clearly only in 3 waves. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you might argue that this is going to be a diagonal, but it's a bit messy. So I don't have a great clarity of what this subwave structure is here. Therefore, we need a little bit of patience. Certainly what we can identify is this 50-day moving average, which is going to provide some resistance. It did it here, yeah, and this is currently at around 62 cents. Now, until we are above that level, I think there is still, that was the dog by the way, I think there is still downside potential, yeah, and downside risk and downside pressure. But overall, as you know from the previous videos, as long as we're holding the 78.6 retracement at 51.7 cents, we can focus on higher, and the yellow count for me is in play. Yeah, so only below 51.7 cents I might turn bearish. Short-term support is here the 54.5 cent level, the swing low that was marked on Monday the 27th. Until that breaks, yeah, I mean, we can focus on higher, and even if that breaks, we still have support at 51.7 cents. Overall, again, I don't have very good clarity of what this is. I wouldn't even be surprised if it, no, not that, if it does reset the wave 2 in circle 2. So basically if it resets this wave 2, and this might be just an A wave here, a B wave, and we come down one more in C. Therefore, much more important than the lower degree wave structure and trying to decipher and create the most, the most pristine Elliott wave count on a lowest time frame. It's much more important to understand what are the key pivot points, what are these, let's call it invalidation levels, and what are the relevant supports. As long as support is holding, we treat it like that and focus on higher. But Elliott wave is telling us that we need to change our view, or at least consider to change our view below 51.7 cents, because then this wave 2 is not likely anymore. It's technically not invalidated. These will only be invalidated if a break below the beginning of wave 1 occurs. But yeah, we're not there, we're not there yet. The moment we are holding a wave 2 low, we're holding support, and yeah, generally can focus here on higher for now. So also this move up is currently not enough really to talk about a breakout. I mean, yes, we have moved now above the previous wave 1 high. That's a good sign and a start. And that is good, but the hourly candle hasn't even closed, the daily candle hasn't closed, and I would like us to break above the 50-day moving average. You could even argue that we have something like a triangle here, possibly, yeah, between the move up and here the 50-day moving average. So we're moving into some kind of an apex. Again, don't really have a very good view of what this could be in terms of wave structure. It could be anything really. The correction, I mean, because corrective waves can morph into different structures. So therefore, don't waste brain cells on that. Just focus on the key pivot. And for me, the focus is up. Okay, that's my update about Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.